Hello everyone and welcome to Onshape tutorials. In this tutorial, we explain how to use the projection or the so-called use tool. This tool enables you to project lines, points, or even edges from external geometries onto a sketch plane. This is a very useful tool that everyone using or studying Onshape should know how to use. And consequently, let's explain how to use this tool and let's explain the motivation for using this tool. First of all, let me show you a hypothetical scenario. Imagine that you have created this 3D object over here, and then somewhere in this plane, for example inside of a top plane, you want to create a sketch and then to extrude that sketch. However, you want to use the projections of this point, of this line, inside of this plane such that you can start building your shape. Okay, so to do that, we first need to click here on top plane and then click on create sketch over here, and now click on top to be in this sketch plane. And here is the issue. Namely, let's click on the line over here and let's say that we want to create a line from this point over here. However, we cannot do it. This cursor does not snap to this line and we cannot start line from here. For example, you can maybe start line from here and do something like that, but however, you can see that it's very difficult to actually click on the point. In order to do that, we actually need to use the use tool. Now press escape, click here to delete this, and then over here locate this icon over here, and this is the use tool. Now if I click over here and if I click here, I will be able to select this point. In fact, we are selecting the point from the external geometry and we are projecting this point onto our sketch plane. So if I click here, a point is being actually created inside of our sketch plane. I can also click here to create a point, or I can even click here to create, or better to say, to project a line. And if I press escape, and if I now go back, or first if I click here, and if I click over here, you can see that this point is being created, which is exactly the projection of this point, and this line is being created, which is exactly the projection of this line, and this point is being created over here, which is the projection of this point over here. Good. Let's go back to the top plane and now we can create a simple shape. So if I now click, for example, here, or actually I need to double click here to be inside of the sketch, so I can use these points, and then I can click here and then I can do something like this. Then I can click here and then I can finish this thing, press escape to exit, and then I can go here and then I can simply extrude by selecting this shape over here and then clicking here, and then I can either extrude positively or negatively. Let's go negatively, for example -25, and let's press enter, and voila, here it is. This is the power of the projection or the so-called use tool. Next, let's learn how to use the intersection tool. Namely, the problem is very similar. Let's activate the second sketch. Here we are. And then let's imagine that we want to use a projection or the intersection of this face with this top plane or our sketch plane. To do that, simply click here on use and make sure that the intersection is active. And then you can click here and you will see how this face is being intersected with this plane and this line is being created. You can also click here to create intersection and to click here to create intersection, and you completely get the intersection. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for